Hi everyone, it's Amy here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to be doing a flip through of my March 2020 setup in my bullet journal. This month's theme is clocks and time. So I have a lot of pocket watches, gears, and chains. The color scheme for this month is gold, a few different colors of grays, and a pale blue. I added a bright blue from some interest and contrast in the colors. So let's get right to it. Alright, so here I stuck with a quote page on the left and my cover page on the right. I did do my calendar layout this month on a double page spread. You'll notice it's a little bit filled out already. I did also do my typical mood and habit trackers. Drawing all the circles for the mood tracker was quite a bit of fun. I also have my brain dump page here, which I put ideas and quick little notes that I need to jot down on. This month I did add a gratitude layout, just so I can think more positively about life and realize how rich in life I actually am. And this is my first week in my bullet journal. You'll see it's pretty filled out here too. Got kind of busy. Hope you like it. Alright guys, so that's it for my flip through. If you guys are wondering how I get some of my inspiration for the themes in my bullet journal, I like to do different things. I get inspiration from lots of other bullet journal enthusiasts, also everyday objects and places, also just some of my favorite things that I like to draw, or just some of my favorite things in general. I do tend to try to do themes that are original and different, something that I haven't seen done before. Sometimes I see something that I really like, a theme that's been done, and then I just put my own spin on it. Journal. All the supplies used in this video will be in the description box below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe so you can see April's upcoming theme and more fun videos like this. Alright, so keep creating, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.